Welcome back. We're back now with video that may be disturbing to some people. It's dash cam video released by a BC court that shows a crash that killed a beloved doctor in Vancouver. The man charged with dangerous driving was acquitted last month. As Maria Weisgarber reports tonight, the video helps explain why the not guilty verdict is being appealed.
It only took a few seconds for the Hui family's lives to change forever. Moments that were captured on this newly released dashcam video, a key piece of evidence in the investigation and trial that followed. Family doctor Alphonsus Hui was making a left on a green light at Oak and 41st in November 2015. A silver car comes into view from the right. The collision sends both vehicles flying. Hui did not survive. Ken Chung was charged with dangerous driving causing death. In May, he was acquitted, a decision now being appealed.
It was a huge loss when he was killed. And these past 2.5 years, my family's never healed.
According to court documents, the silver Audi was traveling at 119 kilometers an hour when it hit Hui's red Suzuki. And experts testified the Audi had been speeding even faster just before that, around 140 kilometers an hour. The judge found though the Audi's speed was excessive, he called it momentary and found the incident did not meet criminal fault. The family commented last week when the appeal was announced.
I don't know what reasonably prudent driver would go 140 in a 50 zone.
In a statement, the family says they hope the video speaks to why they also want changes to legislation regarding excessive speeders. An online petition they started has well over 60,000 signatures.
I feel like we are one step closer to the justice that should have been done in the first place.
What happens next in the case is up to the Court of Appeal. Maria Weisgarber, CTV News.